Well, first of all, sir, already I shall say no. Now, as far as I'm concerned, a dangerous president was it. I'm on mine. The what's it saying? Operation Recover All Loot.
Mm-hmm.
See, in time being or say what is our team. Time what is our team. Or a president-elect, he had not been sworn in as the president.
Right.
So executive authority was not in his hands.
Mm-hmm.
No need, sir, 2 million elections as a president. The 2 million what they share or they establishes are around.
Mm-hmm.
So what say Ubie Lutu Bibia? Then the tree.
So we are coming, yeah.
A kofuma de bia enyane dia. Or lutu.
Mm-hmm.
Until looting in itself, a criminal offense.
Mm-hmm.
And before you establish will be a lutu bibi, a court of competent jurisdiction it me say wako lutu.
Yeah.
You remember Supreme Court etra same biso. Emma after the friends say ruling no and Justice Duce Ebeka says it was a great
loot and share.
Loot and share. But yes,
yeah.
They had established criminality. So Mako Lutu, Mako Wia. In the case of Gena Brakwa leading, now criminality will be established against anybody. The Constitution guarantees the right to own property individually or as a collective.
Yeah.
Be wo ho kwan say ono apɛ japade. Na sɛ wontimi establish say nipa kɔ na akɔ bɔ krono no de nya de japade na ka sɛ wo akɔ lutu a is serious.
Mhm.
What you say? So between say obi din and
but
the dignity
o say na omo edge information keke. Yeah, more any powers be information o moje because na ye to man we no be e kasem ko fu we.
First of all, it doesn't even exonerate it.
Mhm.
Oxygen information wa here.
So be a pressure because be yes aye.
Let me say establishing the act of looting can only be done by a court of competent jurisdiction.
But say information there, say me information be na my prosecutor.
Information should be a loot
possibly.
No, also will qualify.
Mhm.
Also will qualify.
On qualify, Drew maybe we catch him say on case o mun ko prosecute be na so munye. But on the information, that is what he said.
No, I'm say yeah kono. Afi wo debate tare ho.
There be say obey explain here because we raise this issue.
I'm saying no. Maybe I didn't even want to believe so no way. Until he went to Takrade, say on establishes a committee.
Right.
To recover all loot. So information also will gather is about what? Gathering information of a looting that you think had taken place. Which business a court in establishing?
Yeah.
What you say? Until so soldier a police for attorney general or establish or investigating an investigation a suspected impropriety, suspected looting.
You should say
be obiako yes until you are investigating. What you say? What they also establishes will be a loot in the information bro, which in itself was wrong. Okay. So the first thing